Before we start, and I do understand, could we have a moment lang na, ano, wag muna tayo mag-record para...
Hindi pwede. This is a public office.
Yeah. I just talk to the...
Sige, attorney. Go ahead.
Sir, pursuant to the people ahead of you, the Secretary General is not around, not authorized to receive.
It is the office of the Secretary General,
How about
not the
the deputy?
Secretary General.
Where's the deputy? Deputy Secretary.
Sir, I'm the Executive Director. I am the next in line.
Yes.
So you should receive.
Receive.
You should receive.
In the case of Bautista impeachment, it's the deputy who receives.
Yes.
Respectfully. Okay, I'm not here to argue. I don't wish to.
Sa kakampi natin to.
Yes.
I am just relaying my position. I am not,
No, attorney, ano lang,
it's
kategor...
not an instruction. It is,
Yeah.
I am not
In the position to receive.
receive it.
But in the case of the impeachment of former COMELEC Chairman Bautista, whom we impeached, it was the deputy
Yes.
who received our impeachment
The next in line,
complaint
the
in
next in line.
2017.
Yes, the next in line.
There is already a precedence in the House.
I would have to say,
Please check the records.
I am not arguing. Sir.
Okay.
I am not arguing.
Thank you.
I am not even raising my voice. Sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I am just manifesting.
Okay.
I am not authorized to receive the document.
Attorney, may question.
Wow. Why do you say that? For the
Again,
record.
ako sir, I'm just saying, I'm not here to, I'm not arguing, sir.
No, it's okay.
Wow.
What's your
Attorney, question lang. Can it be received ministerially lang? Kahit not you, but
Because it's
someone...
ministerial.
No, sir.
No one is allowed.
Again, the previous people have tried.
Okay.
I have nicely...
But why did you receive the first one?
No, I have not received it.
Hindi, bakit nga? What is the legal basis?
Wala naman dito
No,
siya.
we're not
No,
arguing.
which one, sir?
Merong first impeachment procedure na nandun na sa office. Kay Attorney Jesus.
Ay, she was here, sir.
Okay.
So, ibig mo sabihin, by the simple expedient of not being here, hindi kayo pwede mag-receive? Is that your stand?
Sir, I'm just saying.
I'm not authorized.
I'm not arguing, I'm asking you. I want an answer.
I'm just manifesting. I do not have the authority to receive.
Yeah, but attorney,
What is your
even
basis?
the office ka na.
Yes, sir. If I cannot, and pababa din, wala din.
Wala din. Okay,
What is
okay
your
lang.
basis? As a lawyer, both lawyers, you have to tell me what your legal authority
Yeah, buddy.
is.
Sir, I am just manifesting. And
Wow.
that's all that